Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Newegg mobile app works. Newegg is a shopping platform focused on electronics and tech-related products. Through its mobile app, users can easily browse, compare, and purchase items like computer parts, gaming gear, laptops, and accessories, all from their phone. After installing the app, users can start by searching or browsing through various categories, such as components, desktops, gaming, and more. Each product page offers detailed specs, user reviews, photos, and price comparisons. Users can use filters to narrow down their search and even scan barcodes to check prices. The app also supports Newegg's special deals section, with flash sales and promo offers updated frequently. Users can track orders, manage their account, and view order history from the app dashboard. The pros of the Newegg app include its tech-focused catalog, accurate product filters, and the ability to compare items quickly. It's convenient for tech shoppers who want full specs and reviews at their fingertips. The app also supports secure checkout and multiple payment options. However, a few downsides include occasional lag in loading product images and reports of delayed shipping or order tracking updates for some users. Based on recent user feedback, many appreciate how the app mirrors the desktop experience but in a streamlined format. Users say it's perfect for browsing deals and staying up to date with product launches. Some noted that the notifications for promotions are helpful. On the other hand, a few reviewers mentioned difficulty editing items in their cart and limited international shipping support. Overall, the Newegg app is a solid choice for tech-savvy shoppers looking to stay informed and purchase electronics with ease. Its mobile-first interface provides an efficient shopping experience without needing to use a computer. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.